Good morning, Lavanya. 1 second.
Hi. Hi,
Yeah.
ma'am. Good morning. Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. All right. So let's switch on the camera.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi. Hi. So tell me about yourself. What do you want to achieve? What you want to, what is your goal?
Yeah. Basically, I wanted to do some stretches because I don't usually do any exercise.
Okay.
So
All right.
recently, I had some anxiety, stress issues, and doctor suggested to do some sort of exercise.
Okay. Okay. Any
So
particular reason for stress?
it's like normal with kids' office.
Mm-hmm. Do
And
you work? You work?
yeah, I work.
Okay. So is it like work from home or you are going to office?
Currently, I'm doing work from home.
All right. Good. Good. Okay. It's fine. So let's start.
Yeah.
Um, so the thing is that we'll start slowly. Okay. Anytime you feel, because it's been a while for you to do, you have not been doing recently, right? Any exercises or stretches. So it may
Yes.
take some time to get your body used to. So initially, first day we are doing today, we'll do light. Today we'll try to do light. Anytime you feel that it is more than what for the first day you should do, you can let me know. Okay.
Yeah.
Because everybody's body is different.
Yeah.
And today's session might feel pain. So
Okay.
here and there you may feel pain. That is okay. That's a muscular pain
Yeah.
because body is very stiff. Today it will be stiff, so we are trying to put to work. So
Yeah.
it there will be here and there little bit pain. Within 3 to 4 days it will be gone.
Oh,
Okay. All
sure.
right. So anytime you feel any sharp pain, like sudden pain, you
Hmm.
did certain movement and you feel immediately that sharp pain, then you stop immediately.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Any issues like related to health and like any medical issues, then you need to consult with the doctor, because I'm not
Oh,
the doctor in terms of medical advice. I won't be able to help you, right?
yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. All
I
right.
had a little bit of back pain.
Okay.
So twice I got this pain when consulted doctor. He gave me some floor exercises to practice. Like long
Okay.
back I got back pain. After
Mhm.
that, I'm not doing any exercise just to hit
Okay.
the issue also.
Sure.
Basic.
Sure. Back pain is quite common,
Yeah.
so especially with office people. So slowly that should be gone. Slowly when we are doing it, you should feel relief. Okay. All right. Chalo. And uh, so you are okay with the, like, generally I start my sessions with chanting of Om and Gayatri mantra. So is that okay for you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So let's start. Let's sit in Sukhasan.
Yeah.
Sukhasana is this posture. Normal, the way we sit on the floor. So this is normal Sukhasana. Are you comfortable? What is your background? You are Telugu,
Telugu.
Kannada, Telugu. Okay. All right. So do you understand Hindi little bit here and there, or not at all?
I can understand, but I can't speak out.
Okay. Because if it comes out to be while talking, so some
That is fine. That I can understand well.
all right. Okay. So let's sit in Sukhasana. Sukhasana is this posture. Uh, is the posture of the hands. So
No.
three fingers together and then index finger and the thumb tips meeting each other. All right. And
Okay.
three fingers together. We'll put it on our knees, backbone completely straight, and shoulders rolled back and left behind. Yes. Keep them in the back. Yes. Keep them in the behind and keep your eyes closed. Focus on your Agya Chakra. Agya Chakra is the point between your eyebrows where generally we put bindi or tilak. So that is the point which is called Agya Chakra. With closed eyes, we'll try to look at our Agya Chakra. We'll try to focus, we'll try to see our Agya Chakra. Breathe in, breathe out. Normally, take your time in breathing it. No need to do it fast. No, not required. Shallow breathing is not required. Do the deep breathing. Breathe in, let your lungs have the air, let it full, and breathe out nice and slow. Let's do it 3 times. Breathing out should be slow. Generally, we breathe in and then we breathe out with a puff. So, we'll do the nice and slow breathe in and nice and slow breathe out. Now breathe in, and while breathing out, we'll chant Om 3 times. Breathe in, chant Om, breathe in, chant Om, and then breathe in, chant Om. Keep your eyes closed. Sit in the right posture. We'll chant Gayatri Mantra 3 times. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Yo Yo Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Yo 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 Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Yo Prachodayat. Keep your eyes closed. Bring your palms together. Rub them together. Feel the heat. Feel the energy. Rub them so that you feel the heat. Rub as much as that you should feel the heat. Let the heat flow into your body, through your face and through your eyes. Lay your palms on your face, on your eyes. Look at your palm. Slowly open your eyes and look at your palm. And thanking God for showing this beautiful and wonderful day. Slowly open your eyes. All right. Thank you, Lavanya, for taking care of your health. Once we start taking care of our health, we can take care of the health of our loved ones. All right. So now I'll start some music. Okay. And you will start doing slightly kadam chal. Kadam chal means like a parade, left, right, left, right. Okay. And then slowly we'll convert it into jogging. Okay.
Yeah.
We'll play this around 4 minutes, 3 to 4 minutes. I'll play this. 1 second. So I have some songs. Right. You can hear the music? Yes?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, all right. Now stand in your place.
Radhe Krishna, Radhe Krishna, कृष्ण कृष्ण राधे राधे
राधे श्यामा 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 राधे राधे
कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा
श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा पितु मात स्वामी सखा हमारे पितु मात स्वामी सखा हमारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा
बंदी ग्रह के तुम अवतारी कहीं जन्मे कहीं पले मुरारी
बंदी गृह के तुम अवतारी कहीं जन्मे कहीं पले मुरारी
किसी के जाए किसी के कहाए है अद्भुत हर बात तिहारी
गोकुल में चमके मथुरा के तारे गोकुल में चमके मथुरा के तारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा
Last 30 seconds, we'll do little fast.
अधर में बंसी हृदय में राधे बट गए दोनों में आधे
हो अधर में बन
All right, slow down, slow down. Keep on reducing your speed. Breathe in from nose, breathe out from mouth. Whenever you are tired, breathe in from nose, breathe out from mouth. But always remember to breathe in from nose, not mouth. All right, spread your legs, bend down, keep your body loose, leave your body loose, completely loose. Let your hands be completely loose, like a pendulum. Let it slow down, let your body slow down. On each count, take a long, deep breath and breathe out slowly. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Very nice. All right. So this is just slightly jogging to warm up our body. So we'll start doing some Shushma Kriya. Shushma Kriya means mini exercises. All right. Mini exercises to keep our body warm. Start rotating your head 10 times. So we'll be doing most of the exercise in 2 rounds. In the first 10 rounds, you can watch me, and second 10 counts, you can do it. Okay. All right. Not necessarily. If it is easy, then you will know. You don't have to like watch me entire 10 counts.
Yeah.
Slowly raise the first day. Slowly will not do this that you have to watch me. Slowly you will be doing along with me. Okay. All right.
Yeah.
All right. 1, 2. You can start this one. Yeah. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Opposite direction. And no worries if you are doing less than what I count. Little more, little less, it's all okay. Okay,
Sure.
count.
Yeah.
Put the counting as a timer. Use it
Yeah.
as a other direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. For today, 1 round is enough. For today, we'll do 1 round only, especially for the neck. Okay. So now left and right. You have to see, look at your left and then look at your right. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very nice. All right. Up and down. Look all the way up, and when you come down, try to touch your chin with your chest. While going up, breathe in. While coming down, breathe out. Okay.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. Very nice. These are little exercises, but very good for neck pain, to avoid spondylitis. As we grow, as our age, as we age, so we start having spondylitis and all those things. So to avoid those, to get that, and sometimes those who work on laptop computers a lot, that they also get spondylitis problem. So to avoid, we need to make these areas strong. We need to have our neck and shoulders strong. So these exercises are very good. It looks easy, but they are effective, very effective. All right. So now try to touch your ear with your shoulder. Bend your neck without lifting your shoulder. Without lifting your shoulder. Wait. So they will not see. You won't be able to actually touch your ear with the shoulder. What I mean, you have to try it. So actually, we don't have that much flexibility in our neck that we can bring all the way down without lifting the shoulder. If I'm touching my ear, I will have to lift my shoulder. So we are not going to lift our shoulder. We'll keep the shoulders as they are. We'll just bend it that much. Okay. 1, other direction. 2, very nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. Very nice. All right. So now we'll move our shoulders slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stretch. Do it all the way as much as possible. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. In opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. Very nice. Lift your hands up. Bring next to your chest and move your hand. One hand. Look all the way back. 1, as far as possible. Take your hand as far as possible. 2. Do not move your leg. Leg remain at the same place. 3. Twist your body from the waist. 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. One last. Relax. Very nice. All right. So we'll do some upper body exercises, which means work on our shoulders and upper arms, these portions. All right?
Yeah.
All right. So keep your hands like this, palm towards the floor, palms towards the floor, and then we'll make a half circle from the back and palms towards the sky. And then again, half circle up, and palms towards the floor. I'll come closer to the camera so that you can see me better. I'll show one hand. Okay, I'll show you one hand. So I'm keeping it like this. Make a turn and like this. Yes. Again. 2. Yes. 3. Understood, right? 4. Very good. 5. Do it little faster. 7. 8. Very nice. 9. And 10. Relax. Very nice. All right. Did you feel slight pain upper arms?
Here, yeah.
Here. Okay. So press your shoulder. Got it. Press your shoulder muscle. Keep your hands here and look up. Look up. Yes. You'll feel better. All right. So now keep your hands again one more time like this. Now this time my palms are stretched towards me. Like very good. Yes. Very nice. As if there are two imaginary walls. Right? There are two imaginary walls. They are coming closer to us and we have to push them back. Do not let them come close to us. Okay, so push them back, push them back. Pull your palms towards you. Keep it like this. Yes. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Yeah. Relax. One more time. Stretch your hand same way. Now what we are going to do, we'll make a small circle. 1, 2, while stretching our palms. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. Very nice. All right. Now opposite direction. Right now we did from up we went back. Now from up we'll go front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. Very nice. All right. You must be feeling little pain in upper arms or shoulder muscles, right? No. All right. Very good. Now, hands up. 1. Exercise 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. Very good. Very nice. One full circle, big circle. 1, nice and slow. No need to do it fast. 2, rather feel the stretch. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. Very nice. Other direction, other direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very nice. All right. Are you okay? Continue. Yes. Okay. Now keep both of your hands like this above your head. Above your head. Now hold them together. I'm holding them together. Okay. And then touch the head, back of your head. Open your arms. Don't keep it like this. Open. Yes. Now touch the back of your head. Then bring it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Feel the stretch in your underarms. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very nice. Relax. Very good. Okay. Anytime you feel too tired, you want to take a break, want to take a pause, you have to inform me. Okay. All right. So now both hands above your in the length of your shoulders. The elbows as high as your shoulders. Your face hidden behind the hands, and then open. 1. Yes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. Very nice. All right. So today I'm working on the upper part. Okay. So upper body. Now hands up. Again, one more time. Hands up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. Very nice. Both hands like this. Last time what we did, we have bent, we have twisted from our waist. Now we are not going to do that, only the hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very nice. All right. Now both hands up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. Both hands spread again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very nice. Both hands forward. And there is an imaginary wall in front of you that you are pushing. Okay? So that way, that's how your palms should be. Stretch towards you, then move them or make a circle. Make a half circle. Back up, and half circle, bend down. 2, very nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. Relax. You should feel Little bit stretch in your arms, press your upper arms like this. Yes, press your shoulder muscle like this. Relax. Very nice. All right. Done. So now let's start with waist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. Very nice. Now keep one hand on the waist, one hand here like this. Okay. Now we'll go all the way and straighten our head. 1, yes. Come back. 2, straighten your hand. Yes. Bend and straight your hand. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. Other hand, other direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. Very nice. All right. So we'll work on lower part of the body, that is thighs and lower. All right. So lift your leg sideways and keep it there. All you have to do is lift it and keep it as long as possible. If you need the help, because first day, right? If you need to balance, if you're not able to balance, you can take the support of a wall or a chair. 8. Keep a hand on the wall. Yeah. 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, and come down. 1. Yes. Next one. Other leg. Lift it up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and bring it down. 1. Relax. Very good. Are you okay?
Yeah.
All right. Relax your arm, relax your legs. Very nice. Now, same thing we are going to do in the front. So lift it up as much. If you can do little, that is also okay. No worries. Do it as much as you can. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Other leg, lift it up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very nice. All right. Now we'll keep our chest straight. We are not going to bend like this. We are going to keep our chest straight and take one hand, one leg behind. So like this. Yes. Hold it there. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, and 1. Very nice. You are doing great. All right. Other leg. Other leg. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Very nice. All right. So now you're standing facing me. We'll take our leg, right leg. We'll lift it left side. So like this. Take the right leg, lift it on the left side. Hold it there. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Other leg, other direction. Left goes to right, right goes to left. 10, 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very nice. These are some lifting exercises. Standing leg lifting exercises. All right. Relax your feet. Relax your feet. Breathe in from the nose. If you feel tired, breathe out from the mouth. All right. So we'll do Pad Chalan Kriya, means leg movement exercises. All right. So 1, lift as much as you can. Don't worry if you don't want to lift too much. That is okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. Very nice. All right. So in the front, same thing in the front. All right. So, but don't bring your leg with a jerk. Keep control of your take it slowly, bring it down slowly. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very nice. Other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very nice. 9 and 10. Relax. All right. Very good. Okay. We'll keep the chest straight and we'll move our leg behind. 1, 2, keeping the knee straight. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very nice. All right. Other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very nice. All right. So same thing we'll do. Left, right, left leg goes to right, right goes to left. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and very nice. Other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, relax. Breathe in from the mouth, breathe in from the nose, breathe out from the mouth. Relax your feet. Relax, relax. Relax. Okay. All right. So what we'll do, we'll make the circle with our leg. We'll make a circle as big as possible, but being a first day, you can make a small circle. Okay. So look at me. I'll do the flap little down because we need to see the legs. Okay. 1, 2, 3. See, I'm not stopping in the middle, but it is not that easy. So you can stop after one circle, keep the leg on the floor, then again do second circle. Okay. No
No.
need to.
Yeah.
1, 2. Okay, I'll also keep it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very nice. Opposite direction, same leg, opposite direction. 1, 2. You can make a small circle while doing opposite. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very nice. All right. Other leg, other leg. From the front. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last one, 10. Relax. Very nice. Same leg, the one which we did just now in opposite direction. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very nice. Very good. How do you feel?
Yeah, it's good.
Fine. Good. Relax. Now we'll lift. We'll bend our leg from the knee, lift it up, bring it next to bring it near to our chest. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very nice. Very good. We'll again lift our knee. This time we are going to hold it. We are going to press our tummy. Try to bring your knee next to your chest and hold it as low as possible. Yes. Hold it. Press your stomach with the help of knife. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Other leg. Hold it there. This is standing Pavan Muktasan. Hold it here. 5, 4, 3, 2, and relax. All right. Very nice. Couple of more. So lift your leg from the bend from the knee, and this time we are going to make a round of the leg, the lower leg. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite direction. 1. If you need a help, you can take help. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very nice. All right. Other leg, other leg. You are doing very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4. Almost there. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very nice. Relax. Breathe it from the mouth. Breathe it from the mouth. Right. So now we'll some work to our what do you call this? Foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Other leg, lift it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite direction. 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax your feet. Very nice. All right. Now, Bring your leg forward, one leg forward. Okay? Like this. Now pull your foot towards you. Pull your toes towards you. Feel the stretch in the calf muscle. Feel the stretch in the calf muscle. Keep it there. 5, 4, 2, 1. Relax. Now lift it up and bring it down. 1, 2, you see, right? 3,
Yeah.
okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Other leg, same thing. First, pull it up, hold it there. Muscle, keep it like this. 5, 4, 3, 1. Now do the movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. All right. Very good. So let's just sit now. All okay? All okay?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So now we'll do some butterfly exercise. You know butterfly?
Yeah, I know.
Okay. So keep our toes together. Yes, we'll keep our toes together. And uh, bring your heel as closer to you as possible and straighten your backbone. Make sure that backbone is straight. Once you are in this position, keep your hands on the knees. Your hand on the knees, on above, up. Keep it up on the knees. Yes. All right. So now slowly press it. Slowly we'll press it till 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. Very good. Beautiful. Very nice. All right. Now keep your hands on the floor in front of you, ahead of your toes. Yes. All right. Make sure that your backbone is straight. You need to bend. Bend is okay, but don't sluggish like that. So bending from the waist is okay, but not from upper back. Okay? So keep your this body straight. Bend like this. That is okay. Okay. So now hands on the floor, and now walk your hands through your fingers. Go all the way as much as possible. Go, go, go. Feel the stretch. Feel the stretch between your legs, thighs. Okay? Go all the way as much as possible. Once you feel that you cannot go any more, then you stop there. Keep your hands there. Stop it there. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Walk your fingers back to you. Nice and slow. Yes. Very good. All right. Now hold your toes. Hold your toes. Keep your backbone straight. And now again bend down, looking forward. Yes. Make sure your backbone is straight. Go all the way as much as possible. Go all the way as much as possible. Hold it there. At the end, when you feel you cannot go any further, then hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Come back up. All right. Now we'll do butterfly, which is also called Pakshi Kriya. All right. So hold your toes, and we'll move your knees as up and down and as fast as you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 10. Relax. Very nice. Uh, Bend your keep one knee bent and other knee forward. Straighten your other leg and keep one leg bent. All right. Hands up. Hands up in Namaskar position. Bring it. Yeah, let your palms be together and bend down as low as possible. Try to touch your knee with your nose and hold it there. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back up. Relax. Very nice. Now change the legs. The one which was bent, straighten it. The one which was straightened, bend it. All right. Same thing. Both hands up and slowly come down. Slowly come down. Back up. Both hands down. Very nice. Come back up. Slowly come back up and bring your hands down. Now both legs forward. Both legs forward. And again, hands up. And bend down. Try to touch your toes. Go all the way as much as you can. Don't worry if you are doing less. That is all okay. Hold it there. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Breathe in and come back up. Whenever your body is shrinking, you are breathing out. Whenever your body is expanding, you need to breathe in. All right? Okay. Lie down on your mat, on your back. On your back. Keep the camera in such a way that I can see you. Okay?
Yeah.
Very good. Relax. Yeah. Legs slightly open. Keep your feet slightly open. Yes. And palms towards the sky next to your hips. Yes. Come to the Shavasana. Shavasana. Relax your body. Let your body be loose from from toes to head. Wherever you feel the stretch, let it be. Let loose. Let focus on the part where you feel the stretch and let it loosen up. Loose your body. Let all the tension, all the stress go away. Focus on your breathing. Take a long, deep breath and breathe out nice and slow. Wherever you feel stress, wherever you feel tension, whichever part of the body, focus and loosen that part of the body. Slowly make sure that your neck is loose, your shoulders are loose, your hands are loose, your legs are loose. Entire body is in complete relaxation, just like Shavasana, just like a dead body. Make sure you're completely relaxed. Stay in this position for a few seconds. Slowly come back into your conscious and come on the left side. Take a left. Come back on the left side and coming on the left side, sit in your place. Your place. Very nice. Right. Straight. Pinchin mudra. Sukhasana. Straight. Neck straight. Face forward and shoulders backward. Chant Om 3 times. Om. your eyes closed, bring your palms together, rub them together, feel the heat, feel the energy, let it flow in your face, in your eyes, let it go to your body, through your face and eyes. Rub your hands together one more time. Feel the heat, feel the energy. Let it flow in your entire body, wherever you feel pain, or wherever you don't feel pain. Love your body, respect your body. Be thankful, be grateful for everything and anything God has given to you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, God, for this beautiful and wonderful day. Open your eyes nice and slow. Thank you, Lavanya. Chalo, we'll end this session with one big laughter. We'll do a laughter exercise, all right? And we'll end with that. So, without feeling shy, you have to laugh it out. Laugh it out loud, okay? All right. So, one last time. Jordar clapping. Sideways, sideways, sideways. Very nice. Back of your hands. Back of your hands. Let all the pressure points be activated. All right. Relax. Relax. All right. Thank you so much, Lavanya.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
Much.
So hope you like the session.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
So can we do it at 8 o'clock only? Is that okay?
Yeah, that is fine.
Because I felt like because one of my session ends at 6 to 7, so
Oh.
half an hour is little less for me to again do the workout, you know.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
we'll do it 8 to 9.
Sure. Sure.
All right, and you can make the payment today
Yeah.
by evening in order
Yeah.
to secure your slot. Okay.
Yeah. Sure.
Until you make the payment, the slot is open. So
Yeah. Yeah.
okay. So once you confirm, then it will be booked.
Yeah. It should be phone pay to your number.
Anything is fine. Same number whatever we are communicating, same number you can do.
Sure.
Okay. Chalo.
Yeah.
Take care. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.